Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I, Muhammad Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher, Masimpur ALM High School, Ramganj, Lakhipur, is going to take my online class. You are welcome to my online class. You know, coronavirus has spread all over the world. Because of coronavirus, a large number of people all over the world, including Bangladesh, have lost their valuable lives. To protect yourselves from coronavirus, you must maintain social distance and follow the rules of health and hygiene. Today, I am going to take my class on English grammar. For the students of class 8, I think that this class will be helpful to the students of class 9 and 10 also. My today's topic is direct and indirect speech. Dear learners, you know, in our mother tongue, we need to report messages, speeches, comments, requests, etc. of a person to others. We may report these words in two ways. Number one, we may quote his actual words. This is called direct speech. Number two, we may report what is said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech. Now, I am pointing different parts of a direct speech. Please have a look at it. He said to me, I am busy now. You can see that there are two parts here. The first one is called reporting speech, and the second one is called reported speech. Here, said is reporting verb, and he is the subject to the reporting verb. Me is the object to the reporting verb. And the sentence which is put within the inverted comma is reported speech. Okay? Now we can say a reporting speech is the statement of the person who reports about something. A reported speech is the statement what is being reported by a speaker. The verb by which the speech of the speaker is expressed is called. You have to know how to change a direct speech into indirect. While making a direct speech into indirect, comma and inverted comma have to be omitted. We have to use a connector before the reported speech. Pronouns, that is, persons are changed according to sense. Now I am telling you about the rules of changing persons. The first person of the reported speech is changed based on the person, number and gender of the subject of reporting verb. The second person of the reported speech is changed based on the person, number and gender of the object of the reporting verb, and the third person of the reported speech is not changed. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, the tense of the verb of the reported speech is not changed at all. Now I am giving you an example. He says, I am happy. Indirect, he says that he is happy. Here we have used the connector that. He is used in place of I because the subject of the reporting verb is third person. Okay. Now, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb of the reported speech also become past tense. The tense changes as follows. Present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Past indefinite, past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect, continuous. Now look at these examples. Rana said to me, I have done my duty. Indirect. Rana said to me. We can also write Rana told me. Rana said to me that he had done his duty. Here the reporting verb is in the past tense. So the reported speech has also become past tense. Another example. Rina said, I bought a book yesterday. Indirect. Rina said that she had bought a book the previous day. There are some words which are changed in the indirect speech, such as here becomes there, this, that, these, those, come, go, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, yesterday, the previous day. If the statement is a habitual truth or eternal truth, no change of reported speech is needed. For example, the teacher said, the earth moves round the sun. The teacher said that the earth moves round the sun. Okay. Dear learners, dear learners, I hope that you have understood my points. This is the end of my class. Thank you very much. See you again in the next class.